What's up, guys? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video we are going to be looking at Flutterwave store. Now, if you have been looking for how to create how to set up an online store where you can use for your business, either you are selling a physical product or you are selling a digital product, then you want to start for free. You don't want to invest on creating a proper e-commerce website. Then I want to bring you guys to this amazing tool that I found. Is called Flutterwave store. So you can sell physical products just like you see on the screen right here. You can also sell digital products like your ebooks, art, etc. So I'm going to show you guys exactly everything you get when you use this platform and how the platform is actually going to look like. Now, using Flutterwave store is actually going to help you if you want to get started for free. Why? Because Flutterwave is a payment gateway. So if you're going to be using Flutterwave store, that means you're also going to be taking benefits of the Flutterwave free payment gateway. I mean, you're going to be just be paying some little transaction fee here and there. So this is an amazing software. This is an amazing tool, and I say let me actually share with you guys so that you get to understand or get to see exactly how it looks like. So this is how the store is going to be like. So before I go straight to show you exactly how to set it up, I want to tell you guys that Flutterwave actually has a marketplace. Now, what I'm just showing you right now is the marketplace. Okay, so this is a marketplace where different verified sellers by Flutterwave are actually selling products. Now, what do I mean? I mean that this in this marketplace, actually sellers like you and I are actually utilizing it. Therefore, for example, if I click on this women fashion right here, I'm gonna find different products that has to do with women fashion, and all of these products are being sold by different sellers. Okay, so these are different sellers verified by Flutterwave. So this is sold by OAMA. This one is sold by another person. This one is sold by another person. So these are different products that are being sold by different people. Now, if I go to gadgets, if I go to mobile and gadgets, you're going to find different products as well that are being sold by different verified people. Now, this one already has 138 sales. As you can see, this is a 3-in-1 protective case. It's going for 3,500 naira. I mean, and so many other products that you can find on the marketplace. Now, if you want to utilize this marketplace, then you must make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to go about everything. So that said, let's go and see exactly how your store is actually going to look like. So if I click on this one now, let me click on it. So I'm going to show you exactly how your store is going to look like if you actually use this Flutterwave store that I'm talking about. So this one has a little note here that he or she is displaying, but I'm going to show you exactly you can do all of these things from the dashboard, and when we get there I'm going to show you. So if I cancel it right now, this is actually how the products page is actually going to look like, and you can easily add products to cart, and you can also check out. So you're going to select your size. So let's say I want an iPhone 12 Pro Max protective case. Is going for 3,500. I can just click on add to cart. It says sorry, the selected product variation is currently out of stock. As you can see, it says it's out of stock. So if I go for 11 Pro, let's see, and select, actually it's actually added to cart. If I go to cart right now, I can click on continue and then add all my details. So these details has to be my shipping details. If I have a discount code, I can put it right here and click on continue shipping. So this is an amazing tool, and all of these things you are not going to be paying for this website, this tool. Okay, it's actually for free. So you're only going to be paying a transaction fee whenever you make a sale. So amazing. Okay, so if I go to this is the name of the website, the name of the store. If I go to it right now, this is how your products are going to look like on your own page when you create it. So all your products are going to appear on the page just like this, and your customers can easily go to the product and check out. Okay, so let me show you exactly how to set this thing up for yourself. Now, to do that, all you need to do is go to the flutterwave.com website and go to this SME, and then click on build your online store. Once you click on build your online store, you'll be taken to this page right here. So right on this page, you're going to see that you are going to see this start selling online. Create a free online store that help you find customers, accept payment from anyone, and grow your business. And this is exactly what they do. So it's literally very simple. So all you need to do now is to click on create a free account. So if I click on create a free account, it's actually going to log me in. Okay. So right now, when you click on create a free account, you can now fill in all of these details. You can see you're going to select your country, select your first name, your email address, and select everything that is there for you to select. Okay, if you already have an account, you can easily just log in. So I have an account and I won't be needing to create another account. But if you want to create an account, it's literally very simple. All you need to do is to follow the steps, and once you followed all the information and fill in all the information you need to fill in, you are going to have your account set up. Now once you have your account, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you go through all the verification process that you need to go to in order for you to have your account verified. So make sure your account is verified before you start making any kind of sales with this Flutterwave store. So they might ask you for your identification number or your identification document. Whatever they ask you for KYC reasons, make sure you provide the real details to them so that they can be able to verify your account. Now once your account is verified, you are going to be brought straight to your home dashboard. So your dashboard is actually going to look like mine. So yeah, so once you are on your dashboard here, remember Flutterwave is a payment gateway, and we are trying to use their store feature so that we can be able to sell to our customers as well. So what you need to do right now, if you look at this section here, you're going to find a bunch of links. So what we need to click on is to click on store. Now once you click on store, it's actually going to take us to this page. So click on overview of the store. Now once we do that, it's actually going to now direct us to the store dashboard. This is the store dashboard right here. So you're going to see if you have made any sale, you're going to find that. If you have any gross sales, you're going to find that. If you have orders processing, you find it. All your customers, your top customers, you're going to find it right here. So all the information you need for an e-commerce website is basically here. So right now you can easily add your products. So if you click on products, you can easily add your product. So if you are selling whatever a physical product that needs shipping, you can actually utilize this. If you're going to be selling a digital product that doesn't require shipping, you can also utilize this. So all you need to do now is to click on add a product and go through the process of adding a product by adding the product's name, description, price, and every other thing that you need to add. So once you've added a product right now, you can also view orders. If you have an order, you can view your order here, and you're going to see all the people that have placed orders with your product. If you click on customers, you're going to find your customers. Okay, so for you to see your customer, you need to make sure you have a product to sell at least. So and one person has purchased it, then you can now continue to see your customers. Now you can also create discount codes. Now this is an important feature because you might be running sales at any particular time and you want to give a discount code to your customers. Then you can easily create a discount code right here. Now this is one great feature that makes this Flutterwave store very worthwhile. Okay, so if you click on discount, create discount code, you can actually just create the discount code, create either a fixed amount or a percentage, and limit if there's limits or not. So you can do that right from that discount code. Okay, so it's actually very very good for an e-commerce website. Okay, so you can also categorize your products by creating product categories. Now that way you can categorize your products. Now if I click on manage store, we are going to be brought straight to this dashboard right here. So right here now you can see if your store is online or offline, and you can get your store link. Okay, so this will be your store link. For me, this is my store link, and I can open it on a new tab and show you. So I haven't added any products yet or anything, so it's actually going to look blank, but this is exactly how to get your store link. Okay, your store link will be under that page. So this is my store link here. Like I said, no product at all, so that is why you're finding this blank page. So once you're at your store link, you can easily turn off or on your store. So if, let's say for example, I don't want people to access my store because I'm trying to do one or two things on it, I can simply click this button and my store will go offline. So if I come back here and refresh now, this store should go offline. As you can see here, it says Kingsley is currently offline, please check back later. So this is an amazing way to actually block. If you don't want to do, if you want to do something and you don't want people to see, you can easily block your website or your store and then quickly do what you want to do. And whenever you want them to continue to see it, you can just click on this button again and your store will be online. So simple, by clicking a button. So you can easily activate announcement and flash messages. Now remember the message I showed you earlier on where I was showing you how the store is going to look like. This is exactly how you do it. So if you click on activate here, you're going to follow all the steps that they are going to show you it for you to enter your announcement messages or your flash messages, whichever one you want to do. You can easily do that by clicking this activate button and by following all the information they are going to want you to fill out. So now the next thing you want to do is you can add your store to the Flutterwave market. Remember the Flutterwave market I showed you in the beginning of the video, where you can easily put your products to Flutterwave marketplace and people can find your product and purchase it. Yes, if you want to be able to be on that market, you need to apply. So you need to click on this apply now, and you're going, the Flutterwave is going to ask you for a series of information. All you need to do is to make sure you provide the information to them, and they are going to consider either accepting you or not. Okay, so but most of the times, if you provide a good document, a real document, they are going to approve you, or they're going to activate your account for you to start listing products on their marketplace, which is amazing. And you can also find new customers from the site. So make sure you're always taking advantage of something like this. So you can also add value added tags to your product, okay, if you want to do that. And then you can also click on this and set whatever period. Let's, for example, this says lowering your cart with wait period helps prompt your customers to check out faster. So use default wait list period, which is 30 minutes. You can either set your own if you want to, but I'll just typically leave it the way they have it here. So the next thing you can do is you can generate QR code for your store. So if you want to have a QR code where people can easily scan and get to your store immediately, all you need to do is to click on this generate QR code, and your QR code will be generated and sent to you. Now, amazing feature that Flutterwave have. One of the amazing feature they have is this shipping. So Flutterwave can actually manage your shipping. So you can either do your shipping yourself, or you have Flutterwave actually help you manage your shipping. So Flutterwave partners with some shipping brand, and they can help you actually fulfill your order. So if you click on Flutterwave shipping, you can use as you can see, I selected here use Flutterwave shipping partners. If you want to use yours, you can easily just click on I'll handle my own shipping. So right here you are going to enter this location, is where our shipping partners will pick up your orders and then go ahead to deliver them to your customers. So you are going to enter the address where your the product is going to be picked up from. So let's say your store address. So you guys are going to enter here. So this is the pickup address. Now what do this mean? Let's say for example I'm right here and my products are right here. All I need to do, and I want to a customer purchased my product somewhere else, all I need to do is to enter the address. This is my store address, so I'm going to enter this address. So whenever an order is being placed and processed, the shipping partners are going to come over to your location here, pick up the item and deliver it to your customers wherever they are. So you can actually allow Flutterwave handle your shipping, and that way your business is automated and you are very happy. All you need to do is to pay whatever fee is involved, and I want to believe the fees are very reasonable and they are very small. So you can go ahead to check for what the fees are on Google, but I know that they actually charge you a little amount of transaction fees whenever you make payment. So the shipping fee is actually calculated based on the weight of the product you are trying to ship. So but you can get all those information when you check on Google, and you can also contact Flutterwave support. They are going to give you direct they're going to give you a precise answer to whatever the question you're going to have in regards to their shipping and whatever thing that is related. So this is an amazing way to start creating your online store. You have no excuse. You need to start selling immediately, and you don't have money to set up the proper e-commerce website that I normally show on the channel. Why don't you take advantage of Flutterwave store, since it's free and you can easily set up and start selling ASAP. So this is what I have for you guys in today's video. I'm sure it actually helps some people. Now if you find it very helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So I want to believe this video helps you and you are going to try out Flutterwave store anytime soon. So if you do that, I want you to enjoy, and thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you.